Alright, you guys, Aaron and Tracy here. We are aboard the Royal Caribbean
Odyssey of the Seas.
Yes. Sorry, we're confused because we just got off the
Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras. Anyway, we're going to try to find our room and we'll give you a room tour of that. So
Yeah.
I think it's,
Oh yeah, she said
over
it's this
here.
way because it's even.
yeah, I think it's over here.
We're used to being odd.
Speak for yourself.
Wow, this is very fancy. The carpet's beautiful.
2:30. Oh, we're way down here.
How do we get in? Oh, I think there's a room key on our app. Okay.
So we're way down there.
Okay.
Here we are at 118. This
Okay, let me grab
is, oh, there's the keys.
Yep, let me grab it.
And that's the keys they give us. Sorry. All right. Maybe just hold it up there. I'll get the keys out.
All right.
Here, go in. I'll hold the door for you.
Thank you. Oh wow.
So
Wow.
I think she has to put the room key in for the lights.
Okay. Wow.
And this is our room. I'll show you once I put this stuff down. Whoops. Well, this is good artwork.
Yeah, it's a beautiful room.
Show you the, I guess this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Oh,
Oh yeah, that's pretty. Look, shelves in there.
oh yeah, there's stones.
Oh, the moment of truth. What's the closet look like?
So Tracy always judges the room by the storage space.
Nice closet.
And this closet, now there's storage in there.
Yeah, but
So nice, okay, so,
here's a little fridgey.
hey, wait a minute. Lots of different outlets.
Yeah, nice little desk. Blow dryer. Lots of drawers. Very nice drawers. This is a nice couch here.
Does this fold out, you think?
I do. And then look at this. Ha-ha.
I don't know if it does or not. More storage down there.
And look at that. Another closet.
Wow, more storage.
Nice. And look at the bedside. There's like
Tracy.
a little cubby at the bedside.
Tracy's in heaven.
I do like storage.
There's the storage.
Yeah, this is lovely.
Nice little lamps.
Yeah, this is lovely. Wow, look at the balcony. Beautiful.
It's a nice TV, but I think the one in the Mardi Gras was bigger. I say that
One
because
in
we
the Mardi
just got off the Mardi Gras, so
Yeah.
I can say that. Same type of door.
Wow.
And we got a great view of the Celebrity Edge.
Yeah.
Did I mention we're in Port Everglades? I don't think so. So yeah,
Wow, it's beautiful.
let's do a pan around view here.
Wow, we're really in the front, aren't we? Huh?
Celebrity Edge.
Yeah, that's pretty too.
And I
That's
think
beautiful. Very nice.
that's our view so far. That's a cool ship though, Celebrity Edge. Might have to think about getting on that one day.
Yeah.
So obviously we go out that way. I think we were here once before. Obviously it's closed now, but that used to be Carnival.
Right here?
Yeah, I
Oh,
think we
okay.
left them to Freedom,
Okay.
but it appears that it's vacated.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's just don't have enough ships yet to leave yet. The terminal in there was very nice, I thought.
Oh yeah, it was very nice. I agree. I agree. It was beautiful.
Yeah. But you guys, that is our room for 8 days.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, this is going to do just nicely.
Very, very nice. Yes.
I love these windows. don't know if I showed you the full thing here. Now look how it's kind of, it's hard to see, kind of shaped down there and up here. This is great. All right, guys. So anyway, that is our room. Let us know what you think. This room, oh, by the way, is towards the forward. Very much forward. Almost to the front of the ship. 10th floor, obviously. But yeah, let us know.
We have a cruise compass that tells us all the stuff. Nice.
Yeah, we're still figuring out stuff here. This is our first Royal Caribbean cruise, so it's
masks.
It's like a shock and awe here. Very
Hand
nice.
sanitizer.
She showed me all this stuff.
So that's nice. Yeah. Very
So
nice.
I'll just show you real quick what she's talking about. Hand sanitizer, face mask, that's cool. And then a little thing about what's going on. Yeah. Yeah, this is
a lot of room in here.
yeah, almost as much as our last room.
Yeah, I think so.
There you go. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments below or any questions. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost nothing. And hit that bell for future notifications. That way you know when all our videos come out. But anyways, thank you for watching.